Hi, this is Lino, and I'm going to be showing you how to deal with multi-sites in Sitefinity 10. So this is a very simple hello world kind of website. It's using the enterprise version so that we can actually use the multi-site. You can also get the multi-site differently as well if you'd like. And here I've created a website called Test 10. Okay. So to be able to create multi-sites, I'm going to bring this down in the Dropbox and I'll say Manage Sites. So the goal here is I'd like to create another site. It doesn't have to be a completely different domain or anything like that. Maybe the requirement is to create a multi-site underneath the current one. So instead of test 10, it will go /commercial, for instance, and it will go underneath there. So let's go ahead and create a site. I'm going to call it, let's say, test 10 commercial. And the domain here, like I said, it could be a completely different domain or subdomain of where you currently are, or it could be underneath the current one. So right now I'm at localhost. I'm using IS Express. It's 41.684. So I can come in here and say localhost colon and we'll say 41.684. And then put a slash and say commercial. It will create that website underneath it. Okay. I can actually create a brand new empty site, or I can borrow all the data from the current site test 10 into the new one as well. So this is a good idea, and you get a combo box for all the sites, the main one or any other multi-sites that you have currently installed. So right now I only have test 10, and I'm going to get all the data, whether it's blogs, news, content blocks, all the stuff will come directly into this one as well. I can actually choose different languages. I can put in different domain aliases. I can enter my own URL for it as well if I want to. So for right now, I'm going to say continue. And here it will tell me these are all the different modules that I can bring the data for. So I can take in all the news, all the blogs, all the events, all the libraries, lists, and also very important, the generic content as well. If I had e-commerce or forum, I can bring them as well from test 10 into the test 10 commercial. And I'm going to say go ahead and create this new site. And at that point, everything will be coming in. And I have now two sites under this Sitefinity 10 installation. If I go back now, and I'll go ahead and take a look at my pages for the main test 10, you will notice that I have a home page that I've created earlier. It just says hello world, nothing special. If I open up the home page, it says hello 10, as you can see in here. So what happens if I want to actually see what happens under the new website, which is the test 10 commercial? So let's go ahead and go to the test 10 commercial website. And under pages, you will notice that I also have the home page, same exact one. So I'm going to click on the home page and it will say the same thing, hello 10. I'm going to make some additions to this content block. I'm going to say hello 10 from MultiSite/commercial. Alrighty, and we'll say go ahead and save that, then we'll publish the page. So now when I actually run any of these pages, the home page from the test 10 commercial, can say view, notice what happens in the URL. It says localhost and the port number from IS Express and then /commercial and /home. So it's definitely going exactly what I expected to go. And right now it's compiling the page for the first time and it should say hello 10 from multisite/commercial. If I delete the word commercial from here and just say /home and run this page, I have a completely different page which says only hello 10 and it's compiling it again and there you go, hello 10 is there. And this is how you'll be able to create another website underneath the previous one, borrow all the data, all the content available from the previous one and go from there.